Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could build a project timeline or a Gantt chart right inside Power BI without hunting down custom visuals or add-ons, then this tutorial is just for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a sleek, fully functional Gantt chart using only the core visuals that come standard with Power BI. Let's dive right in and transform your project tracking in just a few practical steps. First things first, open up Power BI. If you don't have your dataset ready yet, no worries. For this walkthrough, I'll be working with a basic sample table that lists out different project tasks, their start and end dates, who's responsible for each one, and how long each will take. Imagine you're managing a marketing campaign, planning a conference, or keeping tabs on a software sprint. This kind of table is at the heart of any project plan. Now for the magic, we're going to build the actual Gantt chart. The trick is to use a bar chart in a way that cleverly mimics the look of a traditional Gantt. So go ahead and insert a stacked bar chart. You'll find this in the Visualizations pane. Just click it, and it'll pop onto your report canvas. Here comes a crucial step. It's time to set up the data fields that will drive your Gantt chart. On the y-axis, you'll want to add your task names, but don't stop there. Also, place start date and end date fields along the y-axis. Adding both allows each bar to know exactly where each task should start and finish, building that layered timeline we all recognize from a proper Gantt chart. Why do we do this? If you've only added task names, Power BI won't have enough info to stagger the bars on the timeline. The data needs these start and end points to display a real workflow. Next, focus on the x-axis. Drag your duration field into the x-axis just after your first measure. The duration tells Power BI how long each task should last, effectively stretching each bar across your timeline. Just picture each bar as a train. The start date is when the train leaves the station, and the duration is how far it travels across your project schedule. For a little more insight, add the owner field to your legend. This will instantly color code your bars by whoever is responsible for each task, making it super clear at a glance who needs to do what and when. It's a simple way to spot bottlenecks or overloaded team members. For example, if all the purple bars, maybe those assigned to Sarah, are bunched up at the same period, you might need to rebalance your workload. And there you have it. Now each bar in your stacked bar chart will begin at its assigned start date and stretch out until its end date. You'll see your whole project laid out visually, just like a Gantt chart, but using only the core visuals Power BI gives you. No extra downloads, no third-party tools. Building a powerful visual timeline like this might seem tricky at first, but once you see how these fields work together, it really becomes second nature. If something doesn't look quite right, double-check that your date fields are formatted as dates and that durations are set in the appropriate units like days. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Power BI or project management visuals, drop them in the comments below. I love helping troubleshoot or brainstorm solutions. And if you want more simple, practical guides just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a Power BI tip. Thanks for watching and happy charting.